Want to automatically send your leads from Outgrow to Mailchimp without lifting a finger? In this video, we will walk you through the full integration setup step by step and share best practices to make sure your email marketing runs smoothly. Let's get started. First, log into your Outgrow dashboard. Open the content piece you want to connect with Mailchimp account. Then click on the Configure tab. Next, click on the Integration button. Find Mailchimp in the integration list. Finally, click Connect Mailchimp account. You'll now be redirected to the Mailchimp authorization page. Then select the account you want to connect and click Authorize. Before authorizing, ensure you have logged into your Mailchimp account. Once authorized, Outgrow will now have permission to send leads directly to your Mailchimp CRM. Once you are logged in, choose the Proceed with List option and click the Proceed to Map Fields button. Now you will enter the Map Fields section. Here you need to select a tag and click the Select and Continue button. Now comes one of the most important steps: field mapping. Field mapping ensures that the information collected in Outgrow is sent to the correct fields in Mailchimp. Now click on the Click Here button to view and automatically map the matched fields. You will see the Automap Matching Fields section, where you can select the fields you want to map in your lead data. Let's select common data from the lead forms, such as first name, last name, and email address, and then click on the Map Fields button. And then click on the Test Connection button. You will receive a notification: Integration activated. The responses from this recommendation will be sent to Mailchimp. Before going live, always run a quick test. Open your Outgrow content and submit a test response using a sample email address. Then go to the Outgrow Mailchimp integration section and click on Task History to check your contacts. You should see the new contact created along with the mapped information. If everything appears correctly, your integration is working perfectly. Once everything looks fine, click on the Publish Changes button. That's it. You have successfully integrated your Mailchimp CRM with Outgrow. Ready to capture smarter leads? Start your free Outgrow trial today and integrate it with Mailchimp to automate your lead generation.